Hi everyone! This is Glyza Lorraine Hero, and today I'll be discussing the first chapter of a research proposal. If you're working on your research paper, this video will help you understand and the key components of chapter 1 and how to structure it effectively. Let's get started! The first one is the introduction. So the introduction serves as the foundation of your research proposal. Here you provide the background information about your topic, explain its relevance, and highlight the existing issues or gaps in knowledge that your study aims to address. A well-written introduction captures the reader's interest and sets the stage of your research. The second one is the statement of the problem. So this section presents the specific issue or problem that your research will investigate. It should be clear, concise, and researchable. A good problem statement answers the question, what issue needs to be solved and why is it important? This is the heart of your study, so make sure it is well defined. So the third one is the research objectives. So the research objectives outline the goals of your study. These are usually stated on bullet points or numbered lists, starting with the action words like to determine, to analyze, or to evaluate. Your objective should align with your problem statement and guide your research process. So the fourth one is the significance of the study. This part explains who will benefit from your research and how it will help your students, teachers, businesses, or policymakers. Make sure to highlight the contributions your study will make in your field. The fifth one is the scope and the limitations. The scope defines the coverage of your research, what aspects you will study, the time period, and the participants. The delimitations, on the other hand, describe that your study does not cover. So this helps set realistic expectations for your research. The other hand, the definition of terms. In this section, you provide clear definitions of key terms used in your study, especially technical or unfamiliar words. This ensures that readers understand exactly what you mean by certain terms. And that's it. We've covered the key parts of Chapter 1 of a research proposal. The introduction, the statement of the problem, research objectives, significance of the study, scope and the limitations, and definition of terms. I hope this breakdown helps you in writing your research proposal. If you have any questions, feel free to drop the comments. Thanks for watching and good luck on your research.